right, if you guys want to tell me I'm complaining today in this video, that's absolutely okay because, well, it's a battery issue, guys, and it's super difficult to put your batteries in, and, well, yeah, it takes a second. So let me show you guys the battery situation on the new 5T E3.0. So if I'm being at all honest here, I'm going to tell you that this is really frustrating trying to get this battery set, because look at this guy. So first of all, this is sponsored by BoltX Turnigy. They sponsor me 100%, guys. So my driver's code is going to be capital PNWRC. I'll leave a link in the description below. So here it is, guys. We got the stock trays right here. We got 4 straps per tray. Now you've only got 2 hands, and you're trying to hold these up. You're trying to push those down, and you're trying to make it so that when you stick your battery in there, you're not fighting everything, you see? So you see what happens is when you stick your battery in there, you have to push the straps down inside, and it moves everything. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna make some relief cuts, notches on the bottom of the tray, and until we get some sort of new design, it's going to make it so that we can install the batteries in the stock tray that much easier. So let's get them out and let me show you guys what I'm going to do. All right, there it is, guys. We got the tray removed and we got the new one modified. So this is all we did. So I have a router because I'm a carpenter. You can probably even just use a knife if you wanted to. A sharp knife will cut this plastic, I believe. That's all I did, guys. So we're going to go ahead and put our straps underneath of there because it is kind of a tight fit back there. Lay it down, and then we're going to flip the truck over and then come back and screw it all down. All right, so let me show you guys up close a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see that on the camera. Let me get some more light in here. So after you get your pieces cut, it should look something like that. All I did was just come straight down, and I got about 3 millimeters there for just plenty of space to get the straps in there and move them. And then all I did was take my file and I filed each side down. So the inside and the outside, kind of put a little chamfer on it. That way it doesn't rip the straps. You guys, it's just a super simple mod that everybody could do. Even if you only have a razor knife. So see that? So right now we can just go ahead and we're going to keep using the same stocks holes, but we're going to go underneath of the tray just like that. Guys, that's going to make it 1,000 times easier. Oh, there's a rock. To make it 1,000 times easier to get your batteries in there and adjust them. So let me screw it down and I'll show you guys. So just like that. Oh, just run them back up and in, I forgot. So there we go. So you're just going to get them all just like this. Pull them all up. And then you're going to need to figure out, I don't know, let's see here. Well, we're going to just put them all in equal. That way we can grab the loop. Drop her in. Make sure nothing is binding up. So pull your straps, there we go, so they're free to move, and then go ahead, flip your truck over and screw it down. All right, so just like that, check it out. The mod is done. We got one finished. Now you still have to hold all 4 straps up, and you don't have to use all 4 straps, but we're going to continue to use all 4 straps. So let me show you how much more easy it is. There we go. So you see how easy that is now? You can pull that thing all the way back as far as you want now because it's going underneath the battery. So we're going to pull those all the way to the edge. There we go. You see that, guys? Way more simple. Way more simple to install. This mod will take you, we'll just say take you half an hour to do both sides in and out of the truck. And I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing it as soon as I can find this strap really quick. All right, there it is. Super simple, super easy mod, guys. Let's go do the other side and I'll show you how to do it. Probably pretty obvious, but first thing, unscrew the stock battery tray. There's 4 screws on the bottom, and there's 1 on top. 4 on the bottom, 1 on top. All right, so there it is, guys. It's just a contraption of a whole bunch of messy Velcro that's hard to put the battery in, and it's super difficult to work. So go ahead, take your straps out. First thing you're gonna do. Now, you don't have to do it just like this, but adding some tape, grabbing yourself a little square, only because I'm a carpenter, makes it so much easier. So I got some little marks, and then I got the depth already set on my router. So here's the side, no marks. I'm just taking my little square, running it up, and just making some marks. And that's where I'm gonna stop my router. Once you get it all routed off, there you go. You can kind of see a little better visualization there. Routed right to the lines. Go ahead, peel your tape, and then I'm just taking a little file and I'm just creating a nice chamfer on both sides. That way it's not sharp and it's not breaking my straps. Well, just like that. Check it out, guys. We got them filed, got all the burrs taken off. So just grab your straps, run them through the stock holes. This makes it super simple, guys. This is going to make it so much better. This is going to make your life so much easier. I seen a guy yesterday online. He seemed really frustrated about this whole situation. So I hope that guy is watching this video. And he does this strap mod. This is like lifetime installation. I'm not going to snug that. I'm just going to make sure all my straps are free before I flip the truck over and screw the ones on from the bottom so they're all moving free. So we'll strap this one down tight. Well, just like that, guys, your free battery tray mod is done. Let me show you how much more simple it is to install your batteries. So we just got to worry about holding the D-rings up. So check it out, making sure all the D-rings are on the top side of the battery. So simple. They fall right into place, and then watch the adjustment. Super quick, guys. Check this out. Look at this. Just like that. You see how freely they're moving underneath the battery? And by the way, guys, I'm going to be having straps available pretty soon for the stock trays. So stay tuned for that. Might be a couple months, but there we go, guys. Just like that. Super simple, free battery tray mod done and installed. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.